It's summer, and for some students that means more time at home with computer games. But at MTSU, there's a camp that combines playing computer games with learning how to create them, as you'll see in tonight's School Patrol.
But this is just something that I put together quickly.
The STEM is growing here at MTSU.
If you don't like something about a program, you can just go in and change it.
STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math.
Considering doing some coding before, and I want to keep it up.
It's the linchpin of this coding camp.
I wanted to show her how you did the edges here so that when the ball actually hit the edge, it returned it.
6th grade teacher Gail Porterfield is here to help 25 7th through 12th graders.
Did you see that?
Find their footing in the world of computer programming.
These were kids that were like, I want to know I did it right. And this is an environment where just doing something right gets you where you need to go.
This is the actual code that runs the whole thing.
They needed to make a lot of mistakes.
Repeatedly generating random numbers.
They needed to try things that didn't work.
Then it waits for you to push something. Then it changes the color again.
And figure out why they didn't work. How could you get the whole thing to stop, to stand still? Think this through. You know what you want. What do you want? Put that into words. Should we not give the commands to the game over part? There's your winner. You did it.
Where I helped a little.
Without Cruz. That means you can do it next week too.
You might want to put a 0 in front of that.
This is Cruz.
Problem solving, helping everyone generally.
A wise and trusted student approaching his senior year of high school.
Most people don't even think about how a keyboard works. You press a button and it magically goes on the computer and the computer knows it.
But Cruz admits even he was impressed with Makey.
You have your space, your click, 4 inputs for up, down, left, and right.
It's a computer keyboard kit used at coding camp.
This is all the circuitry that makes it look all intimidating.
Designed by 2 MIT engineers.
It has this little input, and that travels all the way over here.
Cruz had a chance to share ideas with them online.
It gave me an appreciation for how it does all of the stuff that's a little bit more complicated than you would have thought. It was actually inspiring that they thought of something so simple, yet so complicated.
Do you have any other ideas in the works?
Well, we're trying to make each game harder.
This is a game I put together that uses a Makey for a controller. I've drawn some graphite lines here. It's designed so you can make controllers out of just about anything.
Although many of the students were somewhat coding savvy,
It turns the workspace on its head.
they all came away with a better appreciation of how much more can be done.
Where they're going to go, they just astound you.
It's a huge advantage.
Each year, teacher David Locke develops camps at MTSU that allow local students to learn more about STEM.